village, in the village. Yan, good morning. Moringa tree is making fruit. Sasna. It's a Sunday, sunny Friday. But it's windy. Kaya it's still cold. Cold. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Ang lamig ng simoy. Nag-uwian na yung mga bisita namin. Ayan, nakamotor. Uwi na sila. Tahimik na naman ang bahay. Wala na namang ingay. Yung manok na lang at yung binan. Yan, thank you. Eat visitors in my life. Thank you. It's a jackfruit tree and it's making full fruits. It's bearing fruit. It started bearing fruits. Okay, good. Oh la la, oh la la. Oh la la, oh la la. Oh la la, oh la la. I have something to show. Guess what? My Jujuba Gumamila is making flowers. Yan, the flower is coming. Jujuba Gumamela. There is more. It's coming. Ang liit naman ng puno na niya, pero mulaklak na oh. I like this flower. Jujuba Gumamela. Di ba gumamela din yan sa English? Meron dito, busy na naman yung mga farmers sa kanilang farm. Farmers are busy in their farm. But ayaw mag-zoom. Ayun. This is village life. People loves to farm. Loves farming. Yan, it's almost big. I can cook you. Pwede na siyang gulayin. May malaki ng bunga o yung moringa. Pwede nang gulayin. Pwede na ba? Isa pa. Bakit siya konti lang? Why is not bearing more? It's not plenty the bunga, the fruits, moringa fruits. It's only little. Okay. Give me one moment in time.